reaction. For example, so if you taking 2 moles of benzaldehyde, this is called this is 2 moles of benzaldehyde I am taking in the presence of concentrated base. You can take concentrated NaOH or KOH or barium hydroxide or cesium hydroxide. You can take concentrated base. One molecule undergoes oxidation to give salt of acid. This is salt of carboxylic acid. This is sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. Benzoate. Plus one of the product is alcohol. One of the product is alcohol. This is called benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. Okay. So in this here this is oxidation. Oxidation. సో ఆల్డిహైడ్ అనేది యాసిడ్గా మారడం ఆక్సిడేషన్. అదే ఇంకొక మాలిక్యూలో యాసిడ్ అనేది ఆల్కహాల్గా మారడం అనేది రిడక్షన్. సో రిడక్షన్. ఓకే, సో ఆక్సిడేషన్ రిడక్షన్ ఒకే మాలిక్యూల్ అనేది ఇక్కడ సేమ్ మాలిక్యూల్ అండర్గోస్ ఆక్సిడేషన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో రిడక్షన్. సో దట్స్ వై దిస్ రియాక్షన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ disproportionation reaction. This is called as a disproportionation reaction. So here note this point, the necessary condition is alpha hydrogen should not have. Alpha hydrogen mean, see, to the C double bond O function, the next attached carbon should not possess hydrogen. Should not. This is alpha position, this is alpha position. If these alpha positions are not having hydrogens, they are called without alpha hydrogen. Those only participate in Cannizzaro reaction. Those only participate in a Cannizzaro reaction. Always two molecules participate. One is undergo oxidation to form salt of acid and another molecule undergo reduction to give alcohol. Okay, this is Cannizzaro reaction. Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, this is disproportionation reaction without alpha hydrogen. Without alpha hydrogen. Right? So in these reactions, if two different benzaldehydes, substituted benzaldehydes, so if you take, this is a benzaldehyde which is having NO2 electron withdrawing group, and also other benzaldehyde without alpha hydrogen, both are not having alpha hydrogen with methyl group. Okay now, so this is electron withdrawing group, this is electron withdrawing group, which is electron donating group, electron donating group. If two aldehydes are benzaldehydes without alpha hydrogen, these two are without alpha hydrogen, without alpha hydrogen, there is no alpha hydrogen, C double bond O attached carbon, this is alpha carbon, here this is alpha carbon, these two alpha carbons does not having hydrogen, so they participate in Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, concentrated NaOH. Okay, here if you take two different molecules, okay, para-nitro-benzaldehyde, para-methyl-benzaldehyde, para-nitro-benzaldehyde, para-methyl-benzaldehyde. In between these two, which is undergoes oxidation, which is undergoes reduction, mean always mind it, highly reactive, more reactive compound undergoes oxidation. More reactive compound mean if electron withdrawing group is present, that is more reactive. If electron donating group is present, that is less reactive. So I am writing here reactivity of nitrobenzaldehyde. Nitrobenzaldehyde is more reactive than methyl benzaldehyde. Methyl benzaldehyde. Okay, this is more reactive. Electron withdrawing group present, that is more reactive. Okay, so which is having more reactive, that is always undergoes oxidation and forms salt of acid. Undergoes oxidation, this part is going to oxidation, and which is less reactive, in that part, this part is going to reduction and forms alcoholic part. Okay, part undergoes CH2OH, alcohol. Okay, para-nitro sodium benzoate, para-nitro sodium benzoate. This is a paramethyl benzyl alcohol. Okay, paramethyl benzyl alcohol. Otherwise, hydroxymethyl toluene అని కూడా అనొచ్చు. This is hydroxymethyl, para hydroxymethyl. This is toluene. Para hydroxymethyl, common name methyl toluene. Para hydroxymethyl toluene. Okay. So this is always if salts are present, NaOH-, if salts are present to those compounds, if you add acid, simply HCl or H2SO, or if you simple acids, if you add this Na plus will be displaced. In all cases, if salt is formed, if you add acid, the Na plus displaced by H, benzoic acid is formed. Okay, nitrobenzoic acid is formed in all cases. So you have noted this point. If different aldehydes they given without alpha hydrogens, in such case the aldehyde with the electron withdrawing group NO2, CN, COOH, okay, now those groups are electron withdrawing groups. If those groups are present, that aldehyde is more reactive than that of the groups electron donating groups containing aldehyde. So always which is having more reactive, okay, that is undergoes oxidation, gives a salt of acid, and other is undergoes reduction. Okay, so electron withdrawing groups increases reactivity. Okay, electron donating groups decreases reactivity. In the case of aldehydes and ketones also, electron withdrawing groups unte reactivity will be increases. If electron donating groups are present, reactivity